Hello everyone, welcome to SSC Insight. In this video, I will share my DV experience of SSC selection post Phase 7 2019 in Northern Region, Delhi. I was scheduled for DV in 16th January 2021 in CGO Complex, Lodhi Road, New Delhi. I was scheduled for 5 posts in Northern Region. Among them, four was scheduled on 16 January and one post is still not scheduled as there will be a typing test in future for the post. So the four posts in which I got selected were NR 13519, 14119, 16819 and 17219, and that post which is not scheduled yet for DV, and that post is NR 12419. So for the post NR 14119, my DV was scheduled at 10 a.m., and for the other three posts it was scheduled on 2 p.m. So as my DV was scheduled in Eastern Region on 15th January, I got late there for DV on 16th in Delhi, and nearly 11 a.m. I reached there. It was 1 hour late for my scheduled timing. So they were asking for the reason, so I explained my reasons, and also I carried my DV admit of Eastern Region to show them as a proof that my DV was scheduled that previous day. So they considered my situation and let me go inside the office, and then we were directed to a conference hall at I think fourth floor in that office, staff selection commission office. In that office area, you have to show your admit card and identity proof everywhere. Like at the entrance, there was a CRPF held, and she asked me for my admit card and ID proof to show. And also at the entrance of that office, I have to show my admit card and ID proof, and as well as in that inside the office, obviously. So there was a board number and batch number written on every admit card, and in that conference hall, there was divided in some board numbers, and you have to physically go to that board and talk to them, that representative or that document verifier. So for my four posts, there were different board held for each document verification, and though I was given 2 pages to fill up. It was not likely to fill like the previous day I filled that Eastern Region application form. It was totally different from that application form. I think the application form we need to fill at the time of document verification is different for different regional document verification. It was totally different from the Eastern Regional application form. This form hardly includes your name, your mother's name, address, and you have to signature with date, and you have to put your both thumb impression, both right and left thumb impression. I have For each category you have to put your thumb impression 20 times, 10 for left thumb, 10 for right thumb. So I had to put 80 thumb impression for my four post categories. So that's a huge number. So, and you need two recent photographs. And the 2 pages I was talking about is that first page includes your it has printed your name, your post category number, your category, and your date of birth, your name, and everything. And there a photo was printed which you have submitted at the time of application, and beside this you have to paste your recent photograph, and below that you have to sign with date. The first page includes this, and the second page includes that for OBC category, for ex-servicemen's category, and also below there was a place for all categories to fill up. and that was also includes your name, your the name of the examination, your name, your contact number, and your address, signature, date, etc. And below that, and opposite of that page, you have to put your thumb impressions. So that is that filling of that application form. And after filling the application form, they have that same form, the document verifier have that same form, and in that form they will fill that required blocks, and you have to put your signature with it and paste your recent photograph. So for each post category you only need two recent photographs. And here I was asked to produce five original documents: 10th mark sheet and 10th certificate, 12th mark sheet and 12th certificate, and original ID proof. So, these five original documents you have to show them, and also its Xerox copies. That means, five Xerox copies you have to produce them with your self attested and with date, which was not required in eastern region. That previous day the eastern region doesn't um, ask for any Xerox copy, but in northern region Delhi they asked for the Xerox copies, self attested Xerox copies, and the original documents you have to produce there. That's all. That is the whole process of document verification in Delhi. I had to go through this same process four times in a row. So that is the whole process and nothing more than that. And I witnessed there some fake candidates also, and they were, I mean, the document verifier were so much aware of them, and they were very minutely checking each and every details, your handwriting, everything they are checking very minutely. And one more thing I want to add, that the declaration you have to write in that application form should be in both English and Hindi. That means if you don't know Hindi, you have to write there the declaration form in Hindi. Everyone knows English and everyone can write in English, but everyone cannot write Hindi as well as so. But you have to write in Hindi. How much you can, but you have to write. So that is the process. Thank you.